What's up, everybody? This is Dallas Doan here, and today in this video I want to show you how to put or create a transparent or alpha like material to kind of help you preview things in your scene that needs alphas. So for example, this hollow site, I would like it to have like a see-through kind of feel, because currently it just kind of looks like the same material as everything else in the scene. So to quickly do that, go over here. You want to go to your materials. You want to add a new material. I'm just going to call this, rename this. Can't rename this for some reason. Here, new. You want to create new. Call this glass. And then you want to go to your viewport display. You want to go to color. And then here, you want to make sure there's an alpha here. You want to click on the alpha. And on alpha, you want to go like 0.5. Whatever it is that you want, right? So maybe 2.25 there. And this way, you kind of get this see-through type of look. And that's probably a little bit more what you want. But yeah, so that's kind of like a quick way to do that there. Yeah, and I guess in the future, if you just wanted to click and create another one, you just click on that and then just go new, and it'll create a new one and allow you to rename it. But yeah, hopefully that helps you out to help you create glass or see-through materials in Blender. See you all next time. Bye now.